Oh my God. Sila mama. Sila mama. Nakasakay tayo ngayon. Sila mama. Saka po. Guys, this is a Laude vacay in Singapore and we go on a cruise. And of course, Ma and Pa-in-law, they're so early. They're there na. So, I'm so stressed. Wala ka ilan, ha?
Doon kay sir, kunin mo lang po.
Oh my God, hindi pa makukunin. Boy, sir is like swimming or like si sir ang taas ng phone ng boy.
They're feeling what I'm feeling.
What?
When it's like his mom's getting mad at him, like my mom's getting mad at me.
Mas daw getting mad. O sige, okay guys, okay? Magpakaayos kayo and kainin nyo na yung barbecue ko.
Sige po.
Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye!
Ingat po.
Bye!
Bye, team.
That is I.
Safe flight.
Okay, we're on our way to Singapore with Ama, Angkong, and the family.
So, okay. I'm with my boys and of course, Ama's here. Okay, Mama has no alalay. Look, and she's 86 and she's strong pa. So, okay, we're now here. Nag-check in. And of course, okay, si Papa ang pinaka-busy here. Of course, the boss. And si Ama's here. And syempre, ako, the alalay lang. Okay, bahala na kayong lahat dyan. And I will be just waiting here. Wow, Tim is so mabait. Goodbye. Timmy, goodbye. I'm already catching my breath. Yeah.
You're so slow.
So we're too early. I knew it. We're too early, no? How many hours pa yung flight? Angkong stood up right away when he saw the food. Guys, mas mabilis pa sa lahat si Angkong nung nakita yung food. Pero kanina parang nanghihina na. That's Angkong.
When I'm making a turn, I just want to drift.
You're so careful.
I just want to drift.
Tim, i-drift mo si Angkong later. Okay, Tim, I leave you in Singapore, ha? Ayan si Ama, nung nakakita ng food, lumakas. Guys, wala na sa wheelchair. What's your food? Okay, I leave you 5 days in Singapore with Tommy T and make sure you lose weight when you get back to Manila, ha? So, biglang lumakas si Papa, oh. Nakita ng food si Mama rin, biglang bumilis ang lakad. That's the loudest.